Welcome to the second of our coffee break courses. Perfect again, just the black notes. Perfect for coffee break, so easy to find them. YMCA, here we go. Pentatonic, black notes, just 5 of them. So, here's B flat, we're going up to D flat. And then one step further to E flat for YMCA. Try that with me. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Ready? Here we go. Now I'm going to move my hand down to here, so I've got all 3 black notes, and in fact if you stretch it out, have your thumb there, that would be perfect. We're going to use our ring finger. It's fun to stay at. I've just come down my 3 black notes, back into the middle, and then from B flat all the way to the left. So it's fun to stay at the YMCA. Let's try that, here we go. From the beginning, ready, here we go, and. Now I'm going to jump up to G flat here, far right, just 2 notes. Extending to 3, are you ready for that bit? Here we go. Let's try it all the way through. Ready? Here we go, and. And again, ready, and. What a great coffee break.